Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today we're settling the Craft versus Notion debate once and for all. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool fits your workflow. No, it depends answers. Let's get into it. Overview. Super quick, what are these tools? Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notes, databases, wikis, Kanban boards, Gantt charts, team collaboration, automations all under one roof. It's basically trying to replace 5 different apps at once. Craft takes the opposite approach. It focuses on doing one thing exceptionally well, helping you write, plan, and share beautiful documents. It's native to Apple, runs locally on your device, and it's fast. Really fast. So right away, completely different philosophies. Notion says do everything here. Craft says do this one thing better than anyone else. Speed and performance. Craft wins here, no debate. It's a native app, not a browser wrapper, so everything just feels snappier. Notion has improved a lot since 2024, but heavy workspaces with multiple linked databases, pages can take several seconds to load. That adds up fast. Writing and editing. Craft is the better writing tool, full stop. Clean editor, distraction-free, real-time markdown preview, you open a doc and just write. Notion's editor works, but you're always aware you're inside a big system. Databases and structure. Notion dominates. Relational databases, linked views, multiple layouts for the same data calendar, Kanban, Gantt, gallery. Craft has basic inline tables called collections, but if you need real structured data, Craft simply can't compete. AI features. Craft includes AI in its base plan, no extra charge. Notion's AI costs an extra $10 per member per month. But Notion launched full AI agents in February 2026 that handle multi-step tasks autonomously. Craft's AI is great for writing. Notion's AI is operating at a different level for complex workflows. Offline access. Craft works fully offline plain, cafe, anywhere. Notion is web first. It technically has offline support, but it's limited and unreliable. If you travel a lot, this is a real deal breaker. Ease of use. Craft wins on first impression, open it and you immediately know what to do. Notion has a steeper learning curve. Databases, linked views, relations, formulas, it takes time to master. But once you do, it becomes incredibly powerful. Integrations. Notion is miles ahead. Slack, Google Drive, GitHub, Jira, Asana, full API with webhooks. Craft works beautifully within the Apple ecosystem, but third-party integrations are limited. For teams with complex tool stacks, Notion wins easily. Pricing. Craft starts at $5 user month. Notion at $10 user month. For a 1-0, person team $50 versus $100 monthly before adding Notion AI, which doubles the cost again. Both have free plans, with Notion's being more generous for teams. Here's the bottom line. Notion is a system built for teams who want tasks, databases, wikis, and projects all connected in one place. If you're running a startup or managing complex projects, Notion's power is worth the price and the learning curve. Craft is a tool fast, focused, and beautiful. If you're a solo creator, writer, student, or Apple-first user who wants clean, offline-ready documents, Craft is a massive upgrade. My honest pick, solo writer or Apple user, go Craft. Team or structured data, go Notion. Want both? Use Craft for writing, Notion for planning. They work great together. That's a wrap. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for a new breakdown every week. Free plan links for both tools are down in the description. Go try them yourself. See you in the next one.